yesterday I posted a video and I was talking about how I'm going to try to do like some lifestyle type videos. So we're at Target this morning. I'm with Scarlett. Scarlett has a pool party this weekend, so we need to get a gift for her friend and I have to get some stuff for the house. So I figured we would do like a shop with me at Target and then I'll do a haul later to show you what we got. So let's go into Target. We had to come back to see what they had new from last time I was here for the Mickey Mouse stuff. Not sure if I'm gonna buy anything, so I did a pretty big haul of stuff when it first came out, but this stuff wasn't here when I came the last time. And I definitely don't need any more tumblers, but they're super cute. And I'm loving this chair, but I did just get a new beach chair for Mother's Day. What is that? Oh, is that a Disney one too?
Yeah, it's Minnie Mouse.
Oh, that's cute. It's one of those low beach chairs and it's just red and white polka dot like Minnie. Anything over here? No. It's cute. It's not the Disney stuff though. Cute watermelon lights. I do have these corn holders, but when I came they didn't have those. And we have already used them. Now they have an apron, table runner, little Mickey on it. They definitely didn't have these when I came last time and I'm really tempted. So that's just like a regular beach towel, but this is one of those big round ones. It's $20. I'm curious actually of how big it is. My Target has been out of these since like Easter, but they finally have them again. They're the Zoom Zoom Squishies. Okay, so we're back from Target, and this is what Scarlett picked out for her friend to give. Her friend is having a pool party today. So she's going to give her 2 of these Zoom Zoom Squishies that we don't have yet. They've been sold out for a while at my Target. Pretty sure they're not the same because we felt them a little bit. And her friend wanted some LOL dolls. These are the surprise pets. I'm not really sure what these do. What do these do, Scarlett? You just open them and it has...
Yeah, it just has a little doll inside.
Okay. So that's what she picked for a gift for her friend. And Scarlett found these sunglasses in the dollar section. They were $3, so she wanted some sunglasses. And then I just got like some household stuff. Swiffers for my kitchen floors and bathroom floors. Needed some Clorox wipes, and these were on clearance. I love the Scentiva ones. That's my favorite scent. I got one of these to keep around in our bathroom where our cat box is. Dish soap. Barkeeper's Friend. I use this on my white, we have like a white porcelain sink and I can get like scuff marks on it when we wash the dishes, so this works wonders. It makes it nice and white. Paper towels. Clean and Clear. This is what I use to wash my face. I've been using Clean and Clear since I was a teenager, I think. My husband needed deodorant. I needed deodorant. Razors. This is actually like a razor refill, but it came with a free razor. This is the shaving cream that I like. It's kind of like a shave lotion and it smells really good. It's the EOS brand. And then just some bar soap for me and the girls and for my husband. And I think that's it. So that is just like a quick little Target run. We live very close to our Target, so I always just go in there and grab what I need, but kind of needed some other stuff. I did not get any of the Disney stuff today. Like I said, I did a pretty big haul when it first came out, but I had to kind of behave and hold back today. So I'm going to wrap up this gift and go drop Scarlett off for her party. And I'm just packing up Scarlett's clothes for the party. And this is the bathing suit that she wants to wear. It's a two-piece from Bowden. And I also got these from there too, which are really cute. This one has dinosaurs all over it. This one actually I had bought when we stayed at the boardwalk. We just never got around to wearing it. I think it didn't come in time or something. But it reminded me of like circusy type boardwalk. But yeah, if you're looking for really cute swimsuits for your daughters, they also have women's clothes too. And they go all the way up to teen sizes. I think their biggest size maybe is like a 12 or 14, I think. Yeah, check out Mini Bowden. They have really, really cute summer clothes. We just got back from Scarlett's little pool party. She had a lot of fun. I hope that you enjoyed this little mini weekend vlog. Just trying it out and thought I would show you what I got at Target today. Just another day in the life of being a mom.